Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're nearing the end of October and there's a couple things I want to remind you guys of. One is my upcoming classes. So I have a class in November next month with RK3 Designs. That's Rhonda in Texas. And that's going to be amazing. She's teaching a 2-day resin class and she's just super pro. Like if you're anywhere in the area or can make it there, she's an amazing person to learn from. And then I'm teaching a 1-day acrylic pour class. So you can do those separately. You can do those together. You can do one or the other. And in my acrylic pour class, I will be teaching you everything that you need to know to make just awesome paintings, including my mixing ratios, all the different materials, what they're for and how they work. Some of the main techniques, some of my kind of special techniques, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun. And you'll go home with some amazing completed paintings. Well, they'll have to dry, so we'll probably ship them to you, but you'll get to create your own pieces. And then in January, I'm doing something pretty epic in Los Angeles. It's a 3-day workshop. Day 1 is acrylic pouring. So once again, you'll learn all of that, you know, how to mix your paints properly, techniques, etc. Day 2 is resin painting, and you'll learn all the materials you need for that. So if you've ever been at all scared about resin painting or whatnot, you should definitely be there. I'll show you how easy and fun it is. I'll show you how you can seal your paintings with resin, and then also just create amazing works of art with resin specifically. And then day 3, which is an add-on day. So you can sign up for just those 2 days or all 3 days or just this 3rd day. Day 3 is a business day. And here is where you will learn to sell your art. You'll learn how to market on social media. You'll learn how to create a YouTube account and use that for income. You'll learn about affiliate marketing. We're going to jam as much into this 1 day as we possibly can, and it's going to be very hands-on. So bring your laptops and I'll go over your YouTube channel with you. I'll go over your social media pages. This is like just a crazy good deal. And in the future, if I do teach this again, it'll definitely be more expensive. So the price point on this is actually kind of ridiculous. And on that 3-day workshop in January, if you sign up for any part of that by the end of this month, you get an automatic $75 off. So that's something like you need to go and sign up for right now. There's plenty of hotels in the area, easy to get to. We got 2 airports. We got Burbank Airport and LAX, easy to get to. Yeah, so it's going to be just so awesome. And I don't know that I'm going to be offering this again. So if you're even thinking about it, jump on it. If you definitely want to go, but maybe you need to do payments or something, just contact me and I'll help you work it out, because I absolutely want you to be there. And then lastly is, in case you missed the video about the big giveaway I have going on, it is epic. I got a bunch of donations from Stonecoat of art supplies, and I have a bunch of other art supplies. So I'll put all of the information for that down in the description, as well as the information about the classes, of course. But entering that giveaway ends also October 31st, so the end of this month. And then after that, I'm going to pick one winner a week for the rest of the year. It's international, and they're just amazing prizes. You will not want to miss out. If you yeah. I don't know what to say. If you miss out, you're going to be really sad, because these are going to be super epic giveaway prizes. And also, just as a favor, if you guys could please help me out and share this video, comment on it. We want to get it, you know, I want as many people seeing this as possible so we can get those classes filled up and get, you know, as many people entered into the giveaway as possible, because like I said, epic prizes, epic classes. Thank you guys so much for everything, and I'll see you next time.